business, I can stand on sand. Gotta let it go, put it in God's hands. Okay, it's in God's hands. Okay, it's in God's hands. Okay, it's in God's hands. Okay, I don't get what I want sometimes. I'm still on my knees and loved ones peace out sometimes. Love and peace ain't leaving. It might be drought, but it don't mean it ain't my season. God's child, I'm beaming. God's child, can't mask out when I feel like faking. Crash out cause I feel like racing. Black out when they moving shady. How you been? I still feel like David. God can't get no clearer. But you weirdos wanna get weirder. That's your love. I don't even like him, but he see God when he look in the mirror. Devil, look, I got bad news. His grace on me like tattoos, solidified like statues. You scared of holy, I'm that too. You bum, wait, going. First he wanna get straight to stoning. Nobody told him it isn't a voting. I might die laughing, but I see you there when the trumpets get to blowing. What do you want? I'm already chosen. I'm already do it. I'm already free. It's already G. Can't be scared. I'm already me. Can't change what tomorrow brings. Girl, that's way too many, no. Way too many things I don't understand. I can go the same way, not a chance. Gotta stand on business, I can stand on sand. Gotta let it go, put it in God's hands. Okay, it's in God's hands. Okay, it's in God's hands. Okay, it's in God's hands.
I'm torn in between the two. I'm choosing life, can't die yet, Rappers eating other rappers, but I got a different beef, I'm on a diet, God coming back, don't cry yet. He gon' make it alright, we gon' be alright. Leave on a high note like Mariah. Carry me all the way to the Messiah, God, I'm feeling the pain. I know you care for me, that's why I came. Not a customer, but waiting for change. Take all this hell and turn it to rain. God, you're too different to leave me the same. All my enemies wanna be cool. Do they really? But they don't want dinner with us, they looking for food. It's a matter of meditation, not medication. Lift me up to the Father like levitation. At some point I gotta do better. When I'm gonna stop being sorry like lamentation. Can't A out the voice of the Holy Spirit. Can't deep fake them, ain't no realer man. The wealth of the wicked, they threw it away. I caught it and ran like Killer Man. My verse can heal or kill a man. I gotta be careful cause when it's all over I gotta put lyrics in God's hand. Who discerning the heart, only God can. I really pray Kendrick Cole, Ye and Drake is in God plan. I hope you hear me. What's the king of hip hop, the God man, you hear me?
Gotta send it up like it's nothing, nothing. Everything above, it ain't nothing, nothing. Gotta send it up like it's nothing, nothing. Everything above, like it's nothing. Okay, gotta send it up like it's nothing, nothing. Everything above, it ain't nothing, nothing. Gotta send it up like it's nothing, nothing. Everything above, like it's nothing.
Ooh. Okay, morning. Let's see what we got going on today.
Let me tell you about the demons I've been battling. Couldn't go back to the struggle, man, I had to win. Tell the devil back, I need my space.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Let me tell you about the demons I've been battling. 1 second. Go back to the struggle, man, I had to win. Tell the devil back, I need my space. Tatted on my neck instead of butter chain. Try to label me a sinner, but I'm still a saint. I got family across the border, living day to day. And I'm 6 o'clock in it, off the pocket change. What is that thing?
Put in work, tryna make the first.
Nope, that doesn't work. Okay.
Had to go through hell and back to see heaven on earth. It was brick by brick.
What if
I don't wanna pose for the content. I've been ducking all the trends and the nonsense. Locked in, dealing with the past, trying to process regardless. Did it from the heart for the heart.
I can get back on the grind again.
Let me tell you about the demons I've been battling. Couldn't go back to the struggle, man, I had to win. Tell the devil back, I need my space. Took a lot for me to get back on the grind again. Let me tell you about the demons I've been battling. Couldn't go back to the struggle, man, I had to win. Tell the devil back, I need my space.
Remember them days when I was broke, but it went on crumbling. I tried to get cash to make it flip, but end up tumbling. Thought I was gonna be stepping with that drink, but end up stumbling. I couldn't even talk every time I sipped, I end up mumbling. On pay-per-view, I'm fighting demons.
tell you about the demons I've been battling. Couldn't go back to the struggle, man, I had to win. Tell the devil back, I need my space.
If you ain't on my team, what you talk about? I'm with my brothers, you know we gon' walk it out. I got a drop on the op and we poppin' now. We don't do violence, you know that we praying loud. Know a few brothers who just started hitting now. Why is you hating now? If I got any debts, I'ma pay it now. If I see a demon, I'ma slay it now. Lay down my life so I stand out. Pulling out buses, I don't need no handout. Walking my purpose, so no way I can't doubt. Up on the scene with the Lord and we branch out. In the back of the scene with the camp house. Remember my brothers were camp out. We ain't worried about nothing, just cause we know that our whole life is planned out. I see the hate when I look through my people. Hundreds of shots and I know they gon' reload. Feeling healthy, it must be all the keto. You acting foul, I'ma shoot me a free throw. Power my blood, they must all be mosquitoes. I'ma take up and come find me, let Nemo. Holy Spirit warm me up like a fever. I don't need none of that Neiman, I just need Jesus. Hold up, came from the ground, held it down in a season. Now I'm up in God I trust. I ain't perfect, made the cut. Demons around me, keep it tucked. If I make it, then my brothers get cuts. If I said it, then I miss it, it's up. I embody the phrase, keep it a bud. Got a bad wife, knew the day that I cut. See who he yoked, that means spiritually. If you ain't on my team, what you talk about? I'm with my brothers, you know we gon' walk it out. I got a drop on the op and we poppin' now. We don't do violence, you know that we praying loud. Know a few brothers who just started hitting now. Why is you hating now? If I got any debts, I'ma pay it now. If I see a demon, I'ma slay it now. Lay down my life so I stand out. Pulling out buses, I don't need no handout. Walking my purpose, so no way I can't doubt. Up on the scene with the Lord and we branch out. In the back of the scene with the camp house. Remember my brothers were camp out. We ain't worried about nothing, just cause we know that our whole life is planned out.
Life been crazy right now, you know what I'm saying? But like, what was your favorite song on the tape? Like, what was you?
I like the one that goes like, hard work, talent, turn my rocks to rubies,
So I can't
get
glue it.
gluey.
Alright, let me just play it real quick. You know what I'm saying?
I know why I'm here. Took some time for me to still get here. So glad you went and threw away to hold me. Now I can trust in you and you can't hold me. Yeah. Won't let go right here. I let go. You can't stop me. I'ma get lit with it down. And ain't no one gon' stop me. I'ma put up with that thing. Go insane. I'm on Tommy. Way too good. And you know I ain't gon' jump. Yeah. And I'm doing too good in this race. I got too many things going on, so I know I ain't got time to
Okay. Let's I gotta stop. What? Oh.
I'm done with being afraid of my own voice. I'm done with the lies. I'm done with the hate. I got faith. Well, let go right here. I let go. You can't stop me. I'ma get lit with it down. And ain't no one gon' stop me. I'ma put up with that thing. Go insane. I'm on Tommy. Way too good.
I don't know.
I got too many things going on, so I know I ain't got time to front of your face. Doing better and better and better and better. You know that I'm building my faith. Doing better and better and better and better. I'm never gonna let this fade.
Dang.
I gotta live it. I gotta slide. Not finna mix it. Gotta believe it. I'm finna get it. Praying to God that I know that I get it. Back to the safe. Not finna fix it. Don't care if you really don't get it. Overcomer. I know that I'm winning. Moment I started, knew it was finished. Yeah. Let go right here. I let go. You can't stop me. I'ma get lit with it down. And ain't no one gon' stop me. I'ma put up with that thing. Go insane. I'm on Tommy. Way too good.
Okay.
And you know I ain't gon' jump. Well, let go right here. I let go. You can't stop me. I'ma get lit with
Yeah, you should try that. Okay, my bad. Look, let's go. Okay, so same as yesterday. We have this high And Mike, I mean, I increased mine. Anything I did on my side wasn't helping.
You see my eyes on the Lord, I just been trying to get my hair right. Cause in the past I was just trying to get my bread right. Pop out new man, yeah, them feelings they all there right. And I be deep all in that word to keep me fair right.
I don't.
Just the Holy Spirit to keep me
I don't
fair
know.
right.
I'll open. I'll increase myself.
Me, I had no choice to change my life. I just can't lie, all his love.
Yeah, I increased myself max input. So we'll just see. We'll just see.
Hurting on the inside. I had some fake friends.
Okay, so
And I broke my watch, but I still know we in the
oh.
end times. I'd be lying if I said that I wouldn't.
First thing first, we gotta look today. We have any. We got news today. Okay, so tentative ADP weekly employment change. This should have a move. This should have a slight effect onto the market. It should have an effect, but the fact that it's tentative means we don't know when it's going to happen. Like when the news will come out. 8:30, we have a red folder, orange folder. The color red folder means is going to it should have a high. It should have a higher effect on the market. Orange folder is a medium effect. Yellow is like no effect. So we got one red folder, 8:30, orange folder, green, and orange folder. And then at 10, we got two more orange folders. I'm hoping to be done by 10, but we'll see. So we just gotta watch out for 8:30 for now. 8:30. Okay, so we got like 30 minutes. Okay. So pricing are coming out to the low, and then breaking higher. Let me turn myself down. Okay. Pricing are breaking low, coming higher. As we thought yesterday was going to continue higher up to, even though we didn't hit resistance, thought it was going to continue to hit resistance and then hit our weekly support level. But yesterday, ended full green above structure, so we may look for a pullback and to continue higher. Because every step of the way, we got buy, stall, buy. This was some stall yesterday to another buy, so we might see a pullback, maybe to this level. I see heaven's open. You be waiting for. It's a home. Except for the one that look at me.
That's why love always turns into hating me. All these choices of mine, no one making me. I look back at how far I done came. I can't even complain cause somehow I'm still okay. They look in disdain as I step through the doorway. You up, you
okay, we might end up getting, since we stopped, we may end up getting a sell-off, but I'll look to continue buying. We'll see. We'll just see. Right now, we see price was buying. It stopped at some structure, and now it's going sideways. So we have to wait for movement to give us indication of what we should be looking for. Normally we'll be like, let's keep on buying, but since we're at resistance and we're stalling, we can't just continue buying. We need a reason. So on the hourly, we have an equal low. Equal low is forming. Low. So it looks like it's it looked like it's building support. Holding a sample of all that maybe me. That's what love always turned to. I hated me. And of course we have the top. Given we are mostly buying, I'm gonna mark this as liquidity, looking to take this level out. Yeah, he walk in. I'm hotter in. Let me fix that. This should not be that freaking long. There we go. Hold on, sin for the law and hated me. As I'm looking to return to what hated me. Yesterday was basically nothing into a volume of nothing, and now we're sideways, literally consolidating. Up, down, up, down, up, down. But overall, from the higher time frame, the 64 hours, we see a clear sign of buying. Let me increase. We see a clear sign of buying from the 4 hour. The 1 hour still buying. We're even above the EMA. 15, we're still above the EMA. And we still see the clear signs that we're buying. We're just stalling right now. And we're stalling on resistance. So, giving yesterday didn't really do it. Yesterday did almost nothing. I don't have no new area to look for besides these two that I was looking for yesterday. I was looking for price to get to this gap and this demand zone yesterday. And yesterday didn't do much of anything, so I don't have another zone to look for besides getting down here. So today is gonna act the same as yesterday, just waiting. We're just waiting for something to happen. Yeah. Cause like I said before, sideways, we do nothing when it's sideways. It has all these mini levels inside that's holding through the pearly gates. There's all these mini levels inside holding. Same thing with the bottom. Or even here. This is why we don't mess with consolidation. There's no telling what level is going to hit, what level is going to hold, what level is going to break. I guess I should change this to resistance and not a breaking structure anymore. So yeah, I can go over yesterday. Let me go over yesterday while we wait for this to continue doing its doing. Okay, this is Sunday. Sunday was straight sideways. Leaving. Price opened with a gap here. Let me move this. Price just opened with a giant gap here. which normally happens. Gaps normally happen on weekend resets, but they normally should get filled because price, they try to make sure price has been transacted at every level. Everyone has an opportunity to trade at the level. So when there's a gap, normally the price comes back to fill the gap. When is undecided. I've seen it get filled the same day all the way to 2 weeks later. It's kind of just eventually it'll get filled. So I just filled this box up to remind myself that there's a gap here that price should come back to eventually. Which is why yesterday I was looking for this gap and this zone to buy from. But price just kept buying. Let me fix this. Price kept buying. It looks like the chart looks ugly right now because there's no volume. When it's all small and look choppy like this, there's no volume. Or I should say, there's low volume. 8:50, around 9 o'clock, that's when price started moving. And then we had news. No, this was new. This was New York Open. New York Open at 9:30 is what finally got price to start moving again. Price to start moving like it's like a normal day. And it came down. Gave her, okay. Let me show this. Price all day yesterday was holding these levels, just holding random levels. It seemed like. And so when it finally broke and started buying and then came back to hold that support, I marked this level as significant because it's a level that actually got used. And since this level was a break of structure, I just marked the low as a support level. So price came back, gave a rejection, and where did I get my entry at? Okay, yeah. So price gave a rejection. Price came back down to tap support, which is tapping my zone. And if it held the rejection, I was gonna buy. It started buying, choppy buying, all the way back up to the top. I was looking for price to come up here from down here. I was looking to take price. Let me see if it'll pop up. I was basically taking price, looking to TP to be here at this level, or even go higher to this level. One of the two. So after price gave this first buy, I didn't get on any of this. None of this looked worth getting in on. So I waited for price to pull back to confirm that buyers were in control. I also waited longer because this wasn't like my normal, this blue zone, my normal demand zone setup. So I just wanted to wait longer to make sure. But I ended up pricing it coming back, giving a rejection of EMA and rejecting the pullback after grabbing some liquidity right here. Gave a nice big red hammer. And so my entry ended up coming here. I tried entering a little bit lower, but my entry came here. And so it lined up targeting a little bit higher than the level I wanted to go to, but that's fine. But it stalled and it just took me out. Rejected support again. Came back for a third time. It rejected lower support. It rejected this zone. I closed my charts. After I took my loss, I instantly closed the charts. Because to wait for so long for nothing to happen, and then this happens, no. This is not a good day to continue looking at charts trying to trade more. So yeah, eventually ended up coming back to one of these zones I was looking at and started buying from. That was yesterday. Like I told Shaq that yesterday was boring and whack. It's fine that you didn't trade yesterday. So today is looking to be almost the same thing today. We have no movement. We also have nowhere to target. Because there's no point in targeting these areas or this zone. Zones, I normally use zones once. Hold on. like I was explaining, today has done nothing. Given yesterday basically did nothing. It didn't set up a zone for me to trade from today, to look for today. So, back to what I was saying earlier, I'm looking for the same levels to get filled. I'm looking for this gap or to come back to my lower demand zone to get filled so I can take the buy higher. It's because it's Christmas weekend. I mean, it's Christmas week. So, inconsistency, a lot less traders because a bunch of traders are out on vacation. And since there's a lot less traders, it's like I'm trying to think of the easiest way to put it. With less traders, there's less volume, of course. As I showed, there's less volume, so the price isn't going to look good. But also, with less traders, price is more likely to consolidate because there's not enough people to try to push price to one side versus the other. So, like, if we have, let's say we have like, let me think. I can't even. I have an example, but I don't know if it's gonna come off too complicated or not. So, but yeah, the less traders, the more inconsistent and consolidating trade the price becomes. Because there's a lot less money in the market to force price to go one direction, or not necessarily force, but to push price in one direction. With so few traders, we need majority of people to be pushing in one direction. But when there's a lot of traders in hand, we don't need majority. We just need the few to start showing the right direction, and then people can hop on board. So yeah, we just dealing with consistency and low volume. Inconsistency and low volume. It's not much to break. There's not much to break down. There's not much to break down at all. Show. Okay, move.
Walking with the Lord and sync, it's like we got the same shoes. Now that I got confidence, it's nothing that I can't do. Nothing that's gonna stop this. Christ like collection on, they gotta wait to cop this. It go brick wall, waterfall, feeling like I got it all. Holy Spirit fire, get it popping like a Molotov. Lean with it, rock with it. Ay, if the Lord ain't in it, then I'm not with it. In a real way, in a real way. In a real way, 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 in a real way. Whoa, hold on. Big bless, like really, somebody gotta feel me. Heard the devil wanna get me. Relax, I'm chilling. There's no pretending. Me and Jesus really locked in, and that won't be ending. Ay, it's just the beginning. Ay, I put that rock on shorty finger. I ain't running game. Emojis, I send scripture, we are not the same. Do my thing, God be calling on me cause he know my name. Came with a swing, ain't a slave, but I keep a chain. To the homies, send them my regards. Know a couple stuck behind the bars, racking charges up like MasterCards. I hope in time that they can find the Lord. They play with God like he ain't coming back. Talking about his art, but not his whack. ESV, I keep for the attack. They ain't coming back.
In a real way. In a real way.
In a real way. In a real way. In a real way. In a real way. In a real way.
Well, oh, we can look at gold. Maybe gold more than maybe have something I can talk about. This week started 22. Okay. Yeah, dude, look at this freaking gold. Gold freaking Sunday night. Because the markets don't open. So markets are closed Saturday. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I hear you. So the markets are closed Saturday, and they open Sunday night at 4 or is it 5? At 4 o'clock. And this gold moved 65 points all night long, which is kind of crazy. It's very crazy for a Sunday open to move so drastically. And so when gold, I found this level holding just to like, oh, let's just see what's going on. Gold ended up having it's sort of having the same issue, low volume, which means not much structure being formed. And with no structure being formed, there's literally no setup for me to really be looking for. But I mean, it formed one. Breaking structure here. It's like a bomb truck. This, and then I'm going to break structure. Let's say Andre Iguodala. But yeah, gold did not come back to the zone. Yeah, gold is moving, but it's just the same thing. Not much. Low volume, low amount of traders, so not much structure is being formed, and price is just moving. Like all of this was minimal pullbacks. Normally, price will break structure, come retest. We have from time to time again, price didn't come retest these structure levels. Daddy still hugging the block, so mama left the razor man. All the men she knew broke her down, so it ain't no building plan. Get up, you better not cry, get up and fix your face. That's what he said. He bottled up emotion, so yeah, price should come back to retest these support levels. That'll show good structure being formed. But these levels aren't getting retested. I mean, I guess technically this one got retested. And then this one got, but look at the time. This is overnight. Yeah. There's not much going on. Let him down.
When you hopeless, the devil smell it when it's on you. It's all over Junior, no telling what he gon' do. He feel like money won't fail him, he chasing it forever. Buckhouse robberies, kicking doors, he really with whatever. TT Church been praying for Junior, but he made up his mind. Now we in the streets.
You got any questions, Squad?
All the power like Jack, got the heat line on him in a Hellcat. Women power, money, fame, for your soul, what's the game?
And as we see here, Junior has completely hardened his heart.
Daddy dead, so I don't care about life no more, like what you mean? TT told me hell is real, I love her, but she hell
first person shooter. In my dreams, Freddy Krueger. Dang it. Michael Drake. 762 eating mug. Ain't no testing. Well, I mean, if we go down to the 1 minute. How incomplete and choppy these candles are looking. This is what I'm saying, just slow volume. We got news in 10 minutes, so watch out for that.
Same side, God, you expect me to know that? Death and God on the same side, got the same jersey on like a throwback. Death and God on the same side, God, how you expect me to know that?
How you expect me to know that? How you expect me to know that?
What's your prodigal or is he perishing? Honestly, Booby just don't wanna know. Junior daddy told him snitches get stitches, but TT told us that you reap what you sow. I wish every story had a good ending, but Choice directed this part of the show. Choice is directing this part of the show. Choice is directing this part of the.
Is there another piece I'm missing? If I move here, it doesn't do nothing. This is a cheap piece. If I move here, threaten. If I move here, it's free piece.
Where I'm from.
Free piece.
Where I'm from. O-C-O-E-E. Put my head down to the ground. No, this
there we go.
My horses, I had to sit down. I was tripping and taking a risk. Just cause the time running down on the clock, that don't mean that you gotta blitz. Just chillin', be patient, keep working on you, and you'll see that thing coming in.
Quit.
Ayy, but most of them quit before they see fruits of the labor. Not me, cause I put too much work in the switch. Had to write that thing down on some paper, ain't no turning back. My I bought Mariano Rivera, I'm good where I'm at, I've been working my pitch. Being an answer to prayers from people is better than finding a niche. I need me somebody with so many layers, a lot of these women be surface. Baby, what's your purpose? I wanna give you the world, but you gotta show me you worth it. I do not care how you twerking, I wanna see how you worship.
Check here.
We open the door and we leave in the church.
Force it to move.
How could you take on my burden? I know that I ain't perfect. When I go back to my dogs, they see a whole different person. No, I don't care what they saying. No, I don't care if they chirping. That's for the birds. Oh, me like Usher, I will let it burn. People around me, I had to discern. Everywhere act like they love you, they taking their turn. Respect is what you gotta earn. Enemy line get sprayed like a germ. He had to reserve, we cutting his turn. And G.O.D. went set me straight like a perm. Now I ride with the shepherd, I ride with the herd. Put my head down to the ground, no, this ain't as big as it gets. Holding my horses, I had to sit down, I was tripping and taking a risk. Just cause the time running down on the clock, no, that don't mean that you gotta blitz. Just chillin', be patient, keep working on you, and you'll see that thing coming in. Can't you see how we coming in? Can't you see how we coming in? Got a kingdom with me, yeah, that's my only government. Is it wrong?
Okay, let's open up Magic.
See what we up against. Went through trauma, that drama, that might not come up again. See a problem, we running in. Like it was a fire, something, the way that we wired is different than all the rest. When you go higher and higher, it's crazy how everyone hitting you up with a 10. Now they saying I'm hot like a lighter, don't make.
And then yesterday, dude. Yesterday, we didn't even have any. Yesterday, we didn't even have any news, so dude, yesterday was really kind of miserable, just sitting here waiting for nothing. I don't know if I showed you any news. Like, look how choppy these candles are. And this is 8:50 at the beginning, at the start. This is 8:50. It didn't start moving until 9 o'clock. So I was here from 7:30 to 8:50, just looking at nothing. It was kind of miserable. It was kind of miserable. When it started moving at 9, I was about to close, and then I was like, "Well, it's about to open." You know, New York Open gives movement, so. Smoking on one. We ain't going up, no. Hey, bro, put the chopper down. Write a word. Say goodnight. So I started doing Elohim. Jesus, what? And Quez, you hit it big last night, didn't you? Yeah. Say what you mean. Elohim. Or if Prospects gonna give me another promo. For real. Oh, hold on. Wolverine's over there. You have Wolverine over there. Or in like your bag or something. I mean, bro, Black Panther not doing nothing, man. Phone. Because the devil. How? What you need? How'd you get lucky? I'm gonna look around. I'm covered by Elohim. If you want slide for the king, then you can't hang around me. If you don't see Jesus as God, then you don't see what I see. Praying in tongues sound like I put a switch on the 223. With my DCA. Pops know why I crashed out, so I'm a cast, I'm outside your feet. Dang. Dang, that'll become a. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Dang. I don't think that's luck. I think that's just Wakanda doing nothing like normal. Oh. Oh, okay, okay. Look at my life and seeing the change. Arms covered in blood. Actually, hold on. Okay, so pretty much, I mean, the news was good. I don't know what else to know. Durable goods was oh, I can see that. Any large change in the volume of all goods service produced by the economy. Okay. So that means the value of services is going up for the U.S., which is which is good. That's good. Change in the total value of new purchase orders placed with manufacturers for durable goods. Okay, manufacturing orders are costing more, but services are going up. So yeah, we're kind of just gonna be stuck in the same area. This isn't really good or bad news, so well, to kind of equal each other out. We have good news followed by some bad news, but look, price ain't do nothing. Price ain't do nothing. 4 points, 4-point move. Let me show you what news channel was recent. It doesn't matter. I don't know. I think I'm gonna close charts. I think I'm about to close charts, dude. Truthfully, I don't know if I want to sit with price doing nothing. Ooh. I'll wait a little bit longer. Let's see if we get push at 9. White, black, red, white. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh.
Praise Jesus Christ. Amen. Still God. It's just God. Praise God. You know what I mean? One God. Many names. Alright, let's go. Hell yeah. Hey, oh wait, yeah. I pray to God only He understand me. Praise.
Yeah.
I read in the Bible, I feel like a bishop. I put down the Glock and I pick up discretion. Now one of these demons gonna play with a mist. I'm preaching the word of my brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters. Red, white. He got a cat on him. Red White Life game. What?
Just told me to take it, but I said, nah, you can keep it, man. Yeah, it's free.
I'll just take this turn off.
I'm still standing on business. I came into win this. I couldn't wait longer like Venice. Was putting the brace and they tiled it life. I was caught in.
Oh, we're getting some movement. What is this movement?
Put me off track, give me bodily desires. I'm doing just fine. Sim was begging her to block it. I got comfortable. Now it's hitting my line. I could repeat it though. Don't make it change.
Okay, there's something.
I'm tired of it. Always tough when I thought take a break though. I watched time pass on like a relay. That made me delay. Cause it could catch up. Pride was ringing the kid even on D&D. Had to toss in. You can K-double-E-P-I-T. Done had your time, so best talk to me nicely. Rich in spirit now, holy, I feel pricey. Freedom type B, I ain't budging slightly. I told sin, you can K-double-E-P-I-T. Done had your time, so best talk to me nicely. Rich in spirit now, holy, I feel pricey. Freedom type B, I ain't budging slightly. Too bad you can't keep up, no you can't, bro. No you can't, no you can't, bro. No you can't. No you can't keep up.
Yeah, I'm kind of surprised. No lands, Anthem, Draw. Oh, he got Aerith in there. Cause it's 8:35. It's not really a significant time. Like news is already passed. News is already passed, and we got nothing. And so it's not a really significant time for anything to be happening at 8:37. It's just kind of random. It seems kind of random to me. Release the dogs. What kind of deck is this? What is he doing? Oh my. Oh my. Okay. That's pretty scary. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. He's a born winner.
Holy Spirit mightily do works, like how it form in him. Keon keep on moving mountains, probably cause the Lord with him. This something that you never seen. My life was so dirty, Jesus cleaned me, now I'm evergreen. I was busy serving Caroline while I would carry lean. I just had to swerve right out that sin, cause it was dead to me, for real. Singing with the angels like a symphony. I don't manifest, I go to God, there's no epiphany. Remember I was dead broke, I ain't had it's like Tiffany. I just had to take my life and give it to the Trinity. I gotta stay careful when I
He's gonna keep falling. Okay. Where's my lands?
it don't matter what I did, it's people handing me the song. Cause they want me to cut it out, but I can't never shut it down. My life, Jesus turned around. Yeah, one thing I ain't know about Christian rap is gonna be envious. And I ain't not trying to be negative, but it's make some friends in this. And some people worry about competition, they can't even manage this. See, I really walk with God, I ain't putting his name in all my songs for clout. Yeah, I got a heart of God, if needed, I give up my house. Ain't never a day that I will pray to put my brother down. I was on a walk at first, but God, look how I'm running out.
You can go and carry me with a backpack, Bible in it, really wicked.
I'm just thinking Biden did it. I got my deliverance from the king. I had to bind him in it, shining with the light, but I'm not talking how these diamonds hitting. I can't seem to calm it down. All I know is how to do it big. And every time I get my chance, I promise I can't shoot them in. They looking shocked cause I just answered all my calls. Like, who is this? I do this for my mama. You know I'm gonna stay so true to this for real. I'm like, everybody trust that I'm a born sinner. Jesus beat death and beat life.
He a born winner.
Holy Spirit mightily do works, like how it form in him. Keon keep on moving mountains, probably cause the Lord with him. This something that you never seen. My life was so dirty, Jesus cleaned me, now I'm evergreen. I was busy serving Caroline while I was carrying.
Oh, the volume is coming. This is kind of crazy. Hold on. That was a 6-point candle. That looks kind of crazy. must be blocked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Rich in Christ, rich in life, rich in. Hey, 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 hey. You wanna be rich? Start as a servant. Last come first. You gotta go earn it. Giving my talents to God is gonna be worth it. Yeah, I'm giving my talents to God. I can't do nothing myself, but God don't be out of odds. I remember being broke, remember I had no hope, remember my spirit was poke, couldn't go forward. I had to read the word, I had to go in the sun. This is spiritual world, my chopper go ready to blow. It's called the gospel of peace, cutting the demons in pieces, small as some Reese's. Better go walk in and eat it. I don't need cardio, gospel, maybe you see. I'm relaxing the ease, she's the king. The gospel's free, you gotta open your heart and believe. I can't go now, miss out on Christ. If I fall now, it all ends tonight.
He better have something because he messed up not blocking Okenek. I didn't realize he's at 30 live.
A2000 EST. OCOEE. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I'm with my dog. Ay, birds of a feather, we gon' fly together. Ay, we gon' rock forever like it's heavy metal. I ain't Christopher Columbus, I will never settle. I ain't Lewis, I ain't Clark, I will never settle. God told me I'm Olympic for real. Ay, see the king for real.
Okay.
Talking, you should listen for real.
Price pulling back.
Walking got me limping for real. Hey, jaywalking.
This shit, I would say this should be a GG's. He messed up not killing Okenek last turn. He should have killed Okenek. Okay. Because like, okay, so if I go back and look at yesterday on the 5 minute, I get my zones from the 5 minute. Probably moving too fast. So like the last zone that would even be a thing would be this level. And let's just extend AM. Let's see what Price is doing. Yeah, Price is full came to the zone. It looked like it's going to the bottom. So let's zoom. We have a relative support level that happened here. And then next is just way at the bottom. gosh. Cooperate with me. On the 22nd, 23rd. There we go.
Two most important days of your life, the point you became alive, the second one seeing the reason that you was made for this life. Staying up late, you tried working harder to make them proud all around. Just smiling, you're done with seeing your people cry. No lie, Heavenly Father guide me the rest of my life. Out the nest, mommy said go use your wings, I guess I'm fly. I tell her life from time to time I'm constantly dropping, but still I know that I ain't stopping till I reach for the top of the sky. Passionate, so I be writing, declining the 9 to 5, still respecting the fakest lines. Don't respect me, I'm not on crimes. From watching Let It Shine and speaking our music, I'm making mine. I've worked so hard that the meaning of taking breaks couldn't define. Say you got a dream and you claim you're crazy. It's not right. I was up grinding in the summer, but they were the coldest nights. Don't you climb the hills for the world to see you, but climb the hills to see the world that was a part of God's design. But still, the two most important days of your life, the point you became alive, the second one seeing the reason that you was made for this life. Staying up late, you tried working hard to make them proud.
Yeah, like I was saying, the last zone will be this zone, and then the last level that could be holding as support will be this level, because this created the zone, ended up breaking structure. So the last level of support that held was right before structure was broken, and so it comes back to our zone and it blows through the support. It blows through the potential support level. So truthfully, I think this is just going to continue going lower. Or, I mean, so like, it broke through. So part of me is like, yeah, and it broke through with volume. So part of me is like, it should continue going lower. But I mean, but if it starts rejecting, I mean, that's a different story. Would I buy this? I couldn't tell you if I'll buy this or not either, because nothing about price looks good. Yeah. Yeah, nothing about price look good. Freaking hands are freezing. Oh, that's probably loud. Okay. See, it normally, like I was saying, how this was random. If we get volume like this, price doesn't just stop moving. It doesn't just turn to tiny candles and stop moving like this. Like yesterday. Yesterday, we had big volume candles. And then every candle afterwards just kept being a big candle. There was indecision going back and forth, but all the candles were big. They didn't go to small candles. This was just two random big candles, and now candles are small. Right to be. Okay, we got a rejection of this level. We might be looking at something. Normally this would be an entry if this was a rejecting the level, but given this didn't reject the level, I will wait for a second. So like, okay, so price did this, pull up, pull down. I will expect something like this, give another rejection, and then I'll buy. It'd be like equal highs or a little bit higher highs. Either way, I'm looking for another rejection. I'm looking for a push up to another rejection. This is a pattern I'll be looking for. Yeah. I'll be looking to enter. The entry would probably be something like this. Entry would probably be somewhere around here. Yeah. Two different pages. And because I waited again. I will wait for a third rejection for like that extra confirmation to show that sellers aren't trying to take it lower than this area. Because like if I would have entered here, if I would have entered like this, and then I instantly saw the next candle was like a full red, I'd be like, bro, come on, like what's? So I don't like dealing with that. So I like waiting further. I like waiting for extra confirmation before I get in. Because this is pretty much the same thing that happened to me yesterday. So look at this. Okay, so look at this. I'm gonna mark it up again. We have a sell-off, rejection, push up, retest, and we're expecting it to go up. And if we come back to yesterday, we had the exact same thing. A sell-off, pull up, pull back, and I was looking to take it higher, but I ended up getting taken out. You see what I'm saying? I hope you understand that. You understand my reason of that, what I'm explaining, or why I'll wait for another one. Now I'm going for the win. I should have known early on. But no, you not peak 31. Oh, that hurt it, done. Feel what I'm working on. Yeah. I'm on two different pages. I'm gonna tell my uncle here. Pull through the left. Turn it to 2 turning 9-line permanent across from your graveyard to your hand. They return with 2 target land cards from the graveyard to the battlefield. Okay, this is good in Stompy Green. Didn't see this card used. Landfall. This is a landfall card. This is cool. I should make a landfall deck. Territorial Brentar. Landfall. Whenever a land you control enters, exile cards from the top of your library until you exile a non-land card. You may cast this card this turn. A land exile cards from the top of your library until you exile a non-land card. You may cast. Oh yeah, okay, this is cool too. Another landfall. I'm gonna make a landfall deck. That sounds fun. I'm not to my uncle, you know. Okay, hold on, let me go back. And so now, Price gave a rejection. So Price hit it. It's like we hit a level here. It's like, actually, it would be more like this. It's like Price is holding this level as a rejection. And rejected off. We hit this this is with air quotes, supposedly a support level. People tried to buy, but we started selling again. And I don't know if you notice, we have this equal wick, another wick, bodies, equal wicks and bodies. When I see equal wicks and bodies, I think it's just liquidity waiting to be filled. So Price hits the support level and tries to buy off. The buyers aren't successful. The buyers aren't strong enough. So Price sells. And now is indecision again, trying to get buyers in control or invite more buyers to go lower. Which way is the game being played? I can't come down, I don't got a brother. Oh, there it is. There's that sell through. Okay. So, Quez, you see why I wasn't entering on that first rejection of the supposed level? Yes, sir. Oh, you muted yourself. Yeah, you muted yourself. Okay. We had sell off, which was a liquidity grab. If this pulls back, I don't know. Well, okay, we got some increased volume because of 9 o'clock. But if this ends up pulling back and creating another demand zone, that would be something. I'm not opposed to that happening. These equal bodies, these equal levels. But this ends up creating a demand zone. I'm not opposed to looking to buy from here. Stepping in building, bugging on me. 1, 2, 3, you know we do.
Just like Moses splitting the sea. We walk in the church, I ain't paying the fee.
I made time for God. He made time for me.
Matthew 18:20, you said when we come in your name, we coming in.
In an entry round this level, where my price, where my entry round where my TP is, this is a good target. This is a good target. Because that was the high of today. Yeah, that's the high of today. So this is a good target to buy to buy towards. But yeah, I think price is gonna keep selling. I need product. I need. Daily agents. My first avatar packs. Target opponent reveals their hand. You choose another permanent card from it. That player discards that card. Earthbend 2. Target land you control becomes a land creature with haste. Put 2 puzzle from hand on it. When it dies, put this back. Oh, this is a cool card for black. That's crazy. For black? Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me know for this one. TP right down. I'm not gonna just put it back full screen. Okay. When this creature enters, create a clue token. Okay, clues are back. I like it. I like it. And it's a 2-drop. 2-drop 1/3. Not bad. Burst of blasting jelly. That 1 mana. Okay, it's a water. That's for only once. Okay, it's a mana rock. Cool. This is artifact. Does 5 damage to target creature. Okay, I like this. I like this. Whenever land you control enters, this creature gains flying until end of turn. You gain 1 life. Flying, you gain 1 life. 3/5. Rabbit kangaroo. Okay. 6 mana. Would have been 3. This creature can't be blocked this turn. Your creatures and artifacts can help you pay a waterbend cost. Each one you tap pays for 1. Hey, what does this mean? Oh, I can tap other creatures to pay for this cost to make this creature unblockable. Okay. One shot, they worth it. I'm just chasing a dream of a purpose. Envy's worthless. Heard if you stay in your lane and you can't be late, not swerving. It's all like a furnace. Minimizing disappointments, I take on burdens. She say I can't fumble piece in a puzzle. Figure bring my purpose. Bro, what?
could've been worse. Made some mistakes, but you always bringing it up. Saw it all, you seem like you wanted to hurt. I tried to tell you my vision, but you started stepping all over my dreams. You seem like you want me to kirk. Seem like they want me to yearn. Nebuchadnezzar seem like they want me to burn. I gotta live what I learned. Wavy, feel like a perm. Waiting to cern. He bring the punch of my sins, his court is adjourned. They say you get what you earn.
These are so real.
He made me out of the dirt, but he calling me to the streets. She want the love that I give, but that's too much credit to me. Nothing in life is free. That's why he gave us his life.
You got the freedom to do what you want, but you rather go to the club.
You got the freedom to do what you want, but you rather go to the plug.
Now I'm really shocked. I'm really astounded.
You wouldn't love when you found it. I cannot slip when I'm grounded. My brothers, they keep me accounted. That is a treasure to me. I don't want to change.
Well, I was looking at this going higher, but now it's holding this level as resistance.
You moving discreet.
Interesting.
I give you advice.
You say it tastes like, what are we doing for real?
What are we doing for real?
So on the earth, if we do not flavor it up, then what are we doing for real?
Killing is sick, but we rather buy a potato than what are we
doing for real?
I'm not exempt. I gotta go and repent for all that I'm doing for real. And I never say I'm not perfect. That's excuses. Like Nike, I just gotta.
Like Nike, I just gotta check it. And for him, I'm indebted.
Have you read it? Told me you know his word, but you never said it. Then when you read it, you humble yourself in his presence. We gotta put it in action. Now they looking like
how did this happen? Stop all the madness. Like plastic. Okay, so we got a rejection. We got a pullback, trying to hold this level of support. It just builds liquidity. It's grabbing liquidity and rejects and start pulling back up. We get and now we have a semi-decent rejection of the level. We got sellers rejecting going higher. And now we have a potential hammer forming because buyers are trying to say, no, we really want to go higher. And we still have this wick in this body and these wicks and saber-tooth moose lion. Reach, 6 mana reach, force cycle. Okay. Yep. Target creature you control gets +2/+2 to every turn. If that creature is an ally, it also means flying. Cool. As this costs to cast a spell, pay 4 or sacrifice an artifact or creature. So 5 mana destroy creature. Oh my gosh, or sacrifice. Okay. Yeah, quick shit. Target spell unless it's show place 2. I'm gonna definitely use this. That's funny. Cactus juice. I think we're gonna keep on saying we'll wait here and watch the charts until like 9:30, see what 9:30 does. It's all about making a choice for a musician. Is that Booney? No way. Okay. You feel lost. You can't lose the love because of her. Target creature gains menace. What? They giving red menace? Creatures target player control get +2 and +2. Oh, it's a lesson. Cool. Kyoshi. When this equipment enters, create a 1/1 ally creature token and attach it to it. Okay, it's one of them. Vindictive Warden. Firebending, Menace, 3 mana. This creature deals 1 damage to each opponent. Okay. Yeah, seems probably just gonna continue selling.
I'm not a regular person. I found a diamond, she perfect. Plus I do not gotta buy her a Birkin. I learn the way while I'm working. I let them cook, let them heat up the furnace. Had to turn on my discernment. That boy a puppet, Kermit. New crib furnished, brand new curtains. We on the island, we ain't got service. Please do not text me. I'm on that jet ski. I'm out here doing my dance like Presley, doing like Elvis. I got the helmet, I got the shield, and I got the breastplate. I got a sword of the spirit that's ready to chop at the enemy. Come on my headspace. Hey, my God, he higher than stars. Hey, you know this life is a dart. Hey, they say your mind is a weapon. Hey, that's why I'm keeping it sharp. I need the water on parts. I need the water, no art. Iron be sharper than iron. Truly gon' hit like a dart. Hop in the spirit, get groovy. Hop in the spirit, get groovy. I do not need me a toolie. Hey, I used to roll up the doobie. That was the oldest who knew me. Hey, I need a spirit, not Gucci.
I need a spirit, not Louis. Stand on the rock, try to move me. Made a new flow, it's a doozy. That shook 'em up, now they woozy. Y'all boys funny, Drewski, think you the judge. Judy, not in the game, but be talking you Stephen A. Smith. Can't even ball in the Drew League. Free from the love, sue me. Take a step back, give me 2 feet. Shot at the Monty, I keep me a clip with a scribble on my hip. Cap get you knocked out the Kofi. Wanna collab, it's a Kofi.
Oh, new lightning strike. I like it. Azula. I wonder. For a draw a card, then discard a card. Another lesson. Firebending lesson deals 2 damage to target creature. If this spell was kicked, it deals 5 damage. Oh, so this is just lightning burst. Or just another lightning burst. Okay, but it's in the form of a lesson, which means you can pull it from something else. Okay, that's kind of cool. This creature gets +1 as long as there's a lesson card in your graveyard. So you put this in your graveyard, she gets +1/+1. It turns to a 2/3. This creature instantly, you may discard a card if you do draw a card. Okay. Reach. This creature gets +1. Has trample as long as you control a land creature or a land into the battlefield you control. Fire this. This creature has firebend 2 as long as there's a lesson card in your graveyard. This creature gets okay. I was talking about my dogs.
Never gonna catch me lacking. I keep a clip of the script right on my hip, like it's a brand new fashion. You might just slip on a drip. It's a little tip. Stay out of the way when I'm splashing.
You can do it too if you a man. Sipping on the water till my casket closed.
Okay, you know what I'm standing on. I was spinning this shit. Gremlins and animals. This ain't no movie, no talent show. They shooting at actors. If you try to cast a roll, you might get turned to a casserole. I've been swerving, sliding through the traffic. I got the water on top. I stay true to the tech. They gone 2 intact. God gave me a new day. I can't ruin that. He came out of that tune. That's a proven fact. I heard it capping for clout. We ain't doing that. Heard the devil won't smoke. He shoot. We shooting back. I blew him flat. I threw his back. Pocket rocket gon' drop him right through the mouth. He got hit with that stick. Now he blew him flat. Pray to the Lord. I don't deal with no middleman. I just got back from a trip. Walking on water. I'm over the rim again. I got the enemy sick. I got him trembling all in his Timberlands. I'm outside with my dogs. Back outside with my twin and my kin again. Ooh, ayy, never gonna catch me lacking. I keep a clip of the script right on my hip, like it's a brand new fashion. You slip on a drip, it's a little tip. Stay out of the way when I'm splashing. You could do it too if you imagine. Sipping holy water till my casket closed. Okay. Told my day when we gon' ball. I got that script with clip on hip and it go power when I shoot, so I feel like it's all. I'ma pick up for my dog. Good for my twin on the opposite side of listening. She was trying to get wiped up. I can't stay, girl, I was just visiting. Holy water in a cup, getting baptized with some of my richest friends. I'm outside with my dogs, back outside with my twin and my kin again. Ooh, ayy, never gonna catch me lacking. I keep a clip of the script right on my hip, like it's a brand new fashion. You might just slip on a drip. This a little tip, stay out of the way when I'm splashing. You could do it too if you imagine. Sipping holy water till my casket closed.
Wait, is it not? Oh. No, you know how you say there's a dumb way to die. When the crack is gone. Mark Luke done. Team Avatar. Whenever a creature you control attacks alone, it gets +X until end of turn, where X is the number of creatures you control. Oh, this is like the samurai. This is like the samurai stuff. Discard this card. It deals damage equal to the number of creatures you control to target. This is interesting. I got big hands. Okay, this really is like a samurai cards. What a samurai was looking for. Target below. This creature can attack or block unless you control another creature with power 4 or greater. Oh, this is good for my dinos deck. So it's destroy target permanent unless its controller has Combustion Man deal damage to them equal to its power. What? This is a goofy card. What? He's gonna destroy something unless you take his damage. Okay. If you don't let him hit you, he's gonna explode. You're really green. Look at the top 8 cards of your library with X the number of lands you control. You may reveal a creature or land card from among them and put it into your hand. Put the rest on the bottom of your library in random order. Okay. Good one drop. Good one drop land find. Tarbin Prodigy. Shadow walk on the water, she ain't got the motion. At the beginning of your end step, if Katara is tapped, put a +1/+1 counter on her. Your creatures and artifacts can help you pay a wordman cost. Each one you tap pays for 1. Beginning of your end step, if Katara is tapped. So. Oh, you can use her to water bend, she gets stronger. Use her to crew vehicles. I mean, spaceships, she gets stronger. Vehicles, same thing. I think they drew 5 mana. When this creature enters Earth number 1, then Earth number 1. When this creature attacks, each opponent loses X life and you gain X life for X number of creatures you control with +1/+1 counters. Oh, this works with that one lady. She mutates? She either mutates or she's a mutant herself? Okay. This is 5 mana though. Man. When you do Earthman 2, when you do up to 1 target creature you control fights. Okay. This is like a free fight spell. Cool. Earthman, target land you control comes. Okay. Mize, Jaded Edge. Prowess. Oh, she's the new. Oh, cool. Put a double strike counter. Okay, Mize cool. Mize cool. She's just simple and strong. She has 3 toughness. That's kind of high for a prowess creature. they gonna have Red Blue's gonna have her like I can see them getting her to like 6 power. So she's gonna be like a 6'8". 6'8" with double strike potentially. Combustion techniques deal 2 damage, deals damage equal to 2. Deals damage equal to 2 plus the number of blessing cards in your graveyard to target creature. If that creature would die this turn, exile. Okay, this is just another 2-mana exile. They do it like that. The Earth King. The Earth King enters, create a bear. When one or more creatures you control with power 4 or greater attack. 6 number for that man. This is a good card for green. Man, this is a good card. Great Divide. He's gonna step on those snakes. Okay. Turns everything to a mana. Any color. This is, okay. Let's see. Beginning of your upkeep, tap this creature. Whenever you draw your second card, you turn untap this creature. Okay. The Rise of Sozin. Destroy all creatures. Okay, we got another black board wipe. Destroy all creatures. Choose a card name. Search target opponent's graveyard in the library for 4 of those cards. Name exile then that player shuffle. Exile the saga, then return it. And he turns to a creature. Deals combat damage to a player. You may pay X. When you do, put X number of target creature cards with total mana X or less from that player's graveyard onto the battlefield. Okay. So when he attacks, you can just put 3. You can get a 3-drop, if not more. At least a 3-drop. Cool. This is a good one. That's why it's mythic. This is a good card. A board wipe into removal. Even design. Stage 1 step up on snakes. 3x faded firepower. Iroh. This enchantment enters with X fire candles on it. If a source you control would deal damage to an opponent or a permanent an opponent controls, it does that much damage plus an amount of damage equal to the number of fire candles on it. Okay. So Big Red would kind of be would be kind of scary. If you just cast this for 5, it's with 2 fire candles on it. So a simple lightning strikes and then 5 damage. So you should try to do damage to an opponent or a permanent opponent controls. It does damage plus 10 mana. Yeah. Okay. I'm never stressing. My life is more than all that stressing. Don't all that stressing. I'm not chasing blessings. If you gon' be like me, think you need a breath flick. Now look, dog, I'm playing. We just making changes. I hear living blind. Forgot about Plat. Supposed to be a king and you supposed to be a queen. You supposed to. That's all the landfall I have. Are we serious? Why would Jesus die on the earth? Still not mine. Struggling in my mind. Struggle to pay the rent. Struggle with every dime. Struggle with everything like God. It is even mine. Got me praying for these things, but that never made sense to me. I grew up 7-day Adventist, and they really wouldn't put that pain in me. They gave me. I got no Oh, Omnath.
I thought that I should never prosper in my process. I wanna be the custom, non-denominational. Looking for the promise of the fullness I was aiming to. Ain't get what I need, I was stuck inside a cycle. Every night, I was struggling to fight through. I got the kingdom, Holy Spirit changing up my thinking. Show me who I am, where I'm from and what I'm seeking. No, I know my value and my worth, I'm never fainting. You gave me to me and everything that I was needing. I put my feet up on the dash. Cause I'm chilling.
I'll get Omnath. I can't believe Obo's not in here.
Never given.
Feel for the time. Feel for the time.
Never tripping. I don't need the gas.
Red Green, Landfall. There's no Naya Landfall, dude.
Because I'm living in your presence. God, you know I'm never second guessing.
No, that's stressing.
My life is more than all that stressing.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
I just might pull up to the land. These dudes gone.
I just might pull up, take over the land. This beat is gone. Alakazam. No, don't do the magic. Watch it go poof when I put a problem in GLD hands. Might cause a racket. Go back and forth like Sabrina or Venus. Wherever I land. I hop on a flight at the MCO. I follow the one who up high look low. I Captain America shield my soul.
Tanuki on now.
We too bold.
Sushi, bro.
We too raw. You saw me go up and I seen your call. It's crazy they try to correct your walk. Then they gon' act like they don't got flaws. Who is you, dog? Nobody perfect, stop acting like God. I got my purpose on paper, it's drawn. Check out the lines, check out the geometry. I gotta clean out the old me, just like the laundry. I just might pull up, take over the land. This beat is gone.
You must like this land. If you do draw a card, whenever there's a card flips you your favorite from anywhere.
Might cause a racket, go back and forth like Sabrina or Venus. Wherever I land, I hop on a flight at the MCO. I follow the one who up high look low. In America, shield my soul. Ain't no cap in my character. I gotta follow the prophecy. I gotta follow the leader. Follow the king like Peter. Never run out of your time. Jesus, he feeding the meter. I threw the beat, it's a heater. Christ, we are all new creatures. We fall short, but we never stop like cheater. This my core, you could check my demeanor. Don't mean to be rude, my lyrics are meaner. I gotta do it, can't leave it to beaver. I throw the truth and they catch a receiver. I'm out here spreading the message. I hope that it get their attention. Yes, just like a beeper. I left the stress in.
I don't have Boja? I thought I had Boja.
I bring the heat for my dogs in the freezers. My enemy, I know he's a deceiver. No, he's a liar.
Hands on fire.
Know my creator, but I am not Tyler.
Okay.
Florida with gators, but I'm a survivor. I turned to a waiter and now I'm a geyser. I talk to my savior, he making me wiser. Turning the paper, I read till my eyes hurt. Turning the paper, I read till my eyes are hurting. I do not care because I am learning. Why would you follow this guy? It's working. How you know it's not a lie? It's working. How many religions you tried? None. How many gods do you have? One.
I just might pull up, take over the land. This bit is gone. Alakazam.
Don't do the magic. Watch it go poof when I put a problem in GLD hands. Might cause a racket. Go back and forth like Sabrina or Venus. Wherever I land, I hop on a flight at the MCO. I follow the one who up high look low. I Captain America, shield my soul. Ain't no cap in my character. We too bold. Sushi roll. We too raw. You saw me go up and I seen your call. It's crazy they try to correct your walk. Then they gon' act like they don't got flaws.
I don't know, man. Price don't look good. It's not really incentivizing me to want to continue waiting.
Sacrifice he didn't gave back Timothy to go lead his mission.
I feel like Moses.
To get deep.
I thought I couldn't do it.
I feel like Moses, I thought I wanted a man for the mission. But he said go. So I went. Follow me, Matthew 6, Matthew 13.
This is a crazy candle. Bro, the sheer size of this candle. A 14-point candle. What the heck? What? What? A 14-point candle. This is insane. Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Dude, what is that candle?
Go tell him I'm coming and they ain't got loan and this how they can get into heaven. Oh yeah, he know your works and your labor. He coming to save you, but you gotta listen. Come to and start repaying, ask for forgiveness. I rather be in them churches, scream out hallelujah, hallelujah. Then hear my father say, depart from me as I never knew you. No words went through you. So come and walk with our Father in heaven and sacrifice that you gotta make. The enemy come and temptation start hurting, that's just a risk that you gotta take. Might not get back if you got plenty. The people you could have helped out could have been God himself, cause he created us in his image. Don't do that. So repent, get on your knees, ask for forgiveness and forgive your enemies. He say here be in the time now, if you want the middle, then just repeat after me. Yeah. Our Father, which art in heaven,
hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done.
the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. Yeah, and forgive us for our debts. Forgive us for our debts. That's what y'all so forgive our debts. The odds been forgiven. It's not a temptation. No, deliver us from evil. Jesus said, get up and go and save my people. The book of Revelations, from one man to the next. Alright, feel me? Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. He want me to tell y'all, kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Go read Revelations. Our daily bread. He returning. He didn't just say he returning. And forgive us for our. He reminded us of his presence. How he doing? So y'all also forgive our deputies. Forgive our deputies. Yeah. Lead us not into temptation. No. But deliver us from evil. Yeah. Jesus said, get up and go and save my people. From one man to the next. Go save my people. Rich in the cut. I'm in the cut. All right.
Just went to the urgent care. Scared I had a heart attack. My cardiac was Jordan F. Just got out the urgent care. He said I'm perfect. This anxiety that's killing me. I stop and pray. I just pulled up the Chick-fil-A. They got the order wrong. Was tripping on them. I forgot to show them grace. Is there enough to allocate? So I drove to Crumble. Got some cookies. Put 6 in the tray. They said I play your music every day.
So yeah, master love to rejecting the level I was already expecting to get rejected. It's price. Now we getting a rejection of the support level. Will this hold? I don't feel comfortable getting in on this buy. I would need to wait. It's tricky. I don't feel comfortable getting on the first buy, but I very well could be missing the move if I don't. Waiting for confirmation would be like entering on a failed buy, because this is considered trending and this is a pullback of trend rejecting support. So it makes sense to enter, but I don't feel comfortable entering.
Counseling to dig up why I feel this pain. I keep assuming everyone around me feel away. I guess I'm scared to get cut, just like 11th grade. My dad called me the other day, told me he went back to the gym where I couldn't
said congratulations, your son has truly made it. Then it hit me that they were
Watch lyrics.
just like the way we dream.
Way back in Fairyland. Way back in Fairyland. Way back in Fairyland. I said what I said.
Thinking we gon' fold, boy, you must be off your meds. And it's really about the kingdom, this ain't about no bread. Make sure I don't trample on the blood Messiah shed. I said what I said. Thinking we gon' fold, boy, you must be off your meds. Boy, it's really about the kingdom, this ain't about no bread. Make sure I don't trample on the blood Messiah shed. Nowadays I can't watch TV without gay folk on my screen. Female rappers pushing sex cause they don't know how to cook and clean. All these men got no father, so they high and drinking lean. And you need to leave your church if they accepting drag queens. Better leave your church if they approving of abortion. America, the new Sodom and Gomorrah, God gon' torture. God told you in them scriptures, but you keep ignoring. Repent, cause when you hit them horns, that's your final warning. And Christ ain't tolerate no sin, why y'all telling lies? 1 John 3 say, everybody ain't a child of God. Pedophilia all up in your church, tell me what's the odds? Y'all collabing with worldly artists, thinking you can play both sides. I said what I said, thinking we gon' fold, boy, you must be off your meds. And it's really about the kingdom, this ain't about no bread. Make sure I don't trample on the blood Messiah shed. I said what I said, thinking we gon' fold, boy, you must be off your meds. Boy, it's really about the kingdom, this ain't about no bread. Make sure I don't trample on the blood Messiah shed.
I ain't your primo, belt bottoms, crop tops, man, all your boys are emo. We don't get invited, y'all depressed, yeah, we know. We gon' rip that gay flag up on that big stage if we go. Y'all just smoke 'em with the fire, jalapeno. Hey Tyson, drop a name, it's a bunch of y'all. I've been here for days, it ain't one, it's a bunch of all. Look, and I don't even think they serve the right God. It's Christian Illuminati when you popping out with Mike Todd. What can I say, you got a woman for a pastor? Prophesying lies while you call that with your master, that your mama. Now Jesse got y'all in a spell, and if you don't stand for truth, then all y'all going straight to hell, I said it.
I said what I said, thinking we gon' fold.
Okay, we're getting some pullback. That was just a wick pullback, but like I said, if I get a second rejection of the support level, I'll end up taking the buy. Yeah, it's targeting higher. I'm about to say, but that can't. It's crazy that candle didn't even close red, which means buyers really stepped in. So yeah, looking like this was the enter I should have taken.
When you speak over me, I got deliverance from that mess that was controlling me. My Bible tucked, I remember riding with that pole on me. Tortured in the past, all of them demons would try rolling me. I got fixing from the Lord, so all that evil I let go of these. Elevate my mind on just the word, I gotta fight back. Jesus paid that price for all my sins without a price tag. Yeah, he really gave up his whole life to get my life back. Never find another way, you can walk and roll with me. Put in work 100 days, I'm high with God but soberly. And trust that I can't even go a day without him holding me. Worry just a spirit, really thought that it was slowing me. But actually I've been going fast. God said if you swearing at you first, life you'll finish last. Only put my focus on today, I can't think about the past. And I can't even think about my future, Christ gon' handle that. I promise if you hate, you're not my friend no more. No, you're not an enemy. But now I'm not gonna listen to your problems when you yeah, all them ties that we just had, I'm telling you they history. See, I gave my life to Jesus, don't get mad cause I move differently. Respectfully, don't sound like Polo G, so please just stop there. You still love that girl so much, I thought that we was fit for marriage. She said she was the one for me, but I couldn't see the fruit she bearing. God said be ready for his return, so I just been prepared. Yeah, I'm steady in my word and I'm in prayer.
Communion.
I don't got no choice but speak the word. All up in my music, Holy Spirit control me while I'm rapping. They like how you do it, and I send the highest praise up to my Father. I'm like hallelujah, Yeshua, Yahweh. I can't do it in my way. Lord, Lord, come take the wheel, I'm doing 150 on the highway. Remember I used to be sliding around just smoking on that pound cake. Threw away my pride, so I no longer got my proud way. See, I got up out my feelings, now I'm locked in. I'm just trying to be the one for God, don't care about top 10. Only just gon' serve my Lord, ain't no other option. The way he gave his only son, no, it wasn't adoption. It was just to set us free from sin. It was trying to get a cleansed devil, thought that he could win, but I never let him in. I've been leaving from that trauma.
I can't go back there again. I'm gonna say solid to the end. Solid to the end. You know, I'm gonna say solid to the end.
I'm thankful. For anyone that doesn't know God, it's your opportunity. Should have seen this with me.
Holy Spirit, come into my life. Won't you wrap me up inside your life? I know everything's gonna be alright. Let's believe this here gon' last for life. Hey, yeah, Holy Spirit, come into my life.
Won't you wrap me up inside your life? Whoa, I know everything's gonna be alright, right.
Let's believe this here gon' last for life.
Whoa, make it better. You're my treasure, you forever. I won't ever let go of you. Every single day I'm finna tell you that I love you. Yeah, I'm on fresh and I'm gone. Yeah, I've been waiting for love so long. Yeah, I got a light inside so strong. Don't wanna lose this hit, no. Your love, it pours on and on.
You tell me I'm not alone. Okay, I didn't put no codeine in my eyes.
Yeah,
I'm more about faith and not by spite. Gave up all my burdens, that's on Christ. That means everything's gonna be alright. I got a good thing by my side.
Right through the pain in my old fire. Look at my soul and you gon' see a fire. I let the spirit govern on my mind. Come to the river when you feeling dry. Like a gorilla beating down my pride. You gon' be seeing his love in my eyes.
Every time I cry. Holy Spirit, come into my life. Won't you wrap me up inside your life, your life? Let's believe this here gon' last for life.
Holy Spirit, come into my life. Won't you wrap me up inside your life?
I know everything gon' be alright.
Best believe this here gon' last for life.
Yeah. Every single day I wanna tell you that I love. So yeah, I mean, New York Open, massive buy. The rejection of a support level. I could have entered given it was trending, given this started a trend and this is a pullback, showing good signs of rejection. I didn't feel too comfortable, so I didn't enter and just missing out on the move. That's all. This is like a secondary trade. It's like a secondary trade setup that I'm working on. Like for sure, if it was a supply and demand, I would have entered without even worrying about if the recent price action. But the fact that the price trend, I'm not too sure or too confident on what I'm looking for to enter off of a trend pullback. I need to do more research on that. I need to do more research defining my rules to enter on a trend pullback. I'm sliding with you. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. Cause this would have been good. I mean, granted, it's taking a little bit long, but this is still a good trade. Still a good trade. And life is for two. And I'm sliding with you. Yeah, so this was a winner. It's about time to close the charts then. Okay, how it goes for me. First trade I take or would take if it's a winner, or if I missed my winner, close charts. Don't look and try to get a second one, because for me it's like 7 out of 10 times I miss my winner, I try to catch a second trade, and I lose on the second trade. I really am just a one trade kind of person, kind of guy. Yep, and there's TP. So yeah, we're gonna call it there. Just missed the entry. We did all that waiting. News shot it up an insane amount. I mean, not news. This was not even news. This was open. New York Open shot it up an insane amount. Yeah, New York Open shot it an open amount. It gave a pullback. Rejected support. I just wasn't too confident on price continuing higher, given what was I saying? I just didn't like how price was moving today. So buying wasn't too confident for me. After being so choppy and then rejecting the top, I just wasn't too confident. But I mean, this is how strategies go to the next session. This is how strategies go to the next level. Consistently seeing the same setup and taking the same entries eventually becomes second nature to when you see it, take it. Same thing with your main strategy. This is just a secondary strategy that I'm working on. We had massive volume trending, a pullback into rejection, and a double. I could even got it on this engulfing candle. Could even got it on the engulfing candle. And let me see. And to support this level, I think it was holding since yesterday. This whole level has been holding since it was holding as resistance since the 15th, which was a week ago. Then it turned to support. Okay. Now we get a pullback. What should happen would be it pulls back to this level. Pull back to this level, something like it, and reject again to continue going higher up to here. But I'm not dare gonna try to take that trade. Like I said, it could be a winner, but like I said, I missed my first trade and I can't take a second one. It's more than likely going to be a loser. Okay, but that's where we'll end it. That's where we'll end it. Probably won't stream again for the rest of the week because my next day stream will be Thursday, but markets are closed on Thursday. So next stream will be Monday.